If you are tired of struggling with grammar and vocabulary drills and want to improve your Italian in a fun and creative way, I had the most mind-blowing experience with AI and I want to share some amazing news with you. ChatGPT is a tool you can't afford to miss. Simply because this tool will bring your language skill to the next level. In this video I will teach you how to unlock the ChatGPT potential in your favor, start speaking sooner, and most importantly I will teach you how to personalize it to your level, your needs, and your mood. I already told you why ChatGPT is good for your learning, but in this video I will also teach you when it won't work and when you'll be better off using other language apps. Now, let's first have a look at this AI trick. Practice conversation. When you use a book or any other language app, you have in front of you a given script, which is great but not ideal if you, for any reason, need some quick dialogue tips before going to the supermarket, for example. Maybe you are in Italy and you may want to have some quick chat about food shopping with your Italian partner, friends, whatever. And this is what happens with ChatGPT. The magic doesn't end here. You need to understand that the AI is not as smart as you. You need to give it the right input. Yes, our dialogue is about food shopping, but you are angry because your partner doesn't want to go to the supermarket. So, and the dialogue is pretty shocking. Not only the AI used the present subjunctive and the present conditional, but it also made use of some advanced level idiomatic expressions. And if you are a beginner, I get it, you may feel a bit lost at this point, but hey, you shouldn't, because the AI is your new best friend. This leads to trick number 2. Use ChatGPT to ask for explanation. It's your new dictionary. Honestly, I couldn't explain that better on the spot during a class. But then you are a beginner. That's too much, I get it. Then, trick number 3. Use ChatGPT as your new translator. Needless to say that this conversation could go on forever, but for all the grammar Nazis there, because I know you are watching me. Trick number 4. Use ChatGPT as your new grammar book. We saw the subjunctive in the first sentence, right? You want to know more? Ask AI. Whoa, too long? Ask AI to rewrite it in X characters, words, phrases, sentences, passages. Ask it to summarize it.
Oh my god!
Let's move on. That's amazing. Number 6, ChatGPT as your new homework checker. Did you spot it, right? Italians would say oggi il tempo è bello, not bene. So, no, wrong. To keep it short, I tried to fool the AI many times after that and I succeeded in the 90% of the cases. But honestly, they were all subtleties and nuances with which I feel that Italian native speakers would struggle too. So, ChatGPT or any other app. For the community, simplicity and the daily stalking notification, your app is fine. However, if you would like to learn Italian for real and in a creative yet natural way, ChatGPT is your go-to option. It can engage with you at a deeper level and answer your questions in a way that makes sense. Not more kangaroos on the roof doing something strange like those apps. Yes, it's a game changer and you should start using it right now, but like all the other apps, ChatGPT at the moment cannot replace a qualified tutor who doesn't rip you off.